friends and my respected teacher and principal. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. My name is Pooja Somnani. I am in standard 9. Today I am here to present a speech on Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated all over India on 15 August. This day is celebrated because our India got a freedom on 15 August 1947. From the onwards, this day is celebrated our country with great pomp and show. The day is celebrated in all schools, college and hospital, bank, office and other kinds of government and private organization by hosting our national flag and singing our national anthem. On every year, our Prime Minister hosts flag in Red Fort in Delhi. 15 August. The day is celebrated as a national holiday. The main aim of celebrating this great day is remember those great freedom fighters, revise those passing days and realizes the condition of poor India in those days. The image of historical India brings tears of eyes. In past 200 years of British Raj in India has taught a lot of torture and crude behavior. Finally, the free India is gifted by the sacrifice of blood and life of forefathers and those freedom fighters who have a dream declaimed for these days. Free India. The freedom fighters were the real heroes of India. They will always be remembered by us. They teaches us a lesson to work for our country and to make it a beautiful country in the world. We celebrating this festival. We will be celebrating this festival till the sun and moon remain in the sky. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.